ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listeners, this is your RJ Sai Sudha and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingales Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar. Project investigator Alok Verma. Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha and Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elderline toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly. Today we have with us Mrs. Rupa Ramamurthy. She's 70 and continues to teach dance. If this isn't inspiring enough, you know what? She learned dance when she was 55. Guess who was her role model? Her very own daughter. Fascinating, right? Let's hear from her on what her journey has been like.
Hello friends, I am Rupa Ramamurthy, a senior citizen of 70 years. Before I get on to today's subject, I wish to thank my friend Lakshmi Nandakumar, who put me in touch with Sudha Anil. Sudha asked me to speak on how I was initiated into dance at a late age, and I readily agreed. I've always had dancing feet, but I did not have the opportunity to learn dance during my formative years. I have been a teacher of senior students at secondary school and college, and I never missed an opportunity to shake a leg with my students at social functions and festivals. Also, my daughter Priya is a born dancer and she is trained in Bharatanatyam and folk forms. She has been my muse and inspiration. It was at the age of 55 in Ahmedabad, where I lived, that I enrolled in a gym and learnt aerobics. Aerobics is a combination of exercise and dance performed in a group to rhythmic music. Wow, it was fun. Aerobics, which became popular in the 1970s in the US, took on new forms like the Latin American Aero Zumba. It became global and took on local flavors. In India, it became a fusion of aerobics and our very own folk dances like Garba, Bhangra and Bollywood. And our youngsters took to it like a fish takes to water. Aero Garba, Aero Bhangra and Aero Bollywood became the rage. After aerobics, I realized I was too old for classical dance. In my personal journey, therefore, I graduated from aerobics to Indian folk forms like Garba, Rajasthani and Bollywood dances. The instructors who tutored us, as well as my classmates, were half my age. I was around 60 years and my classmates were in their 20s and 30s. It was challenging to keep up with them. Not wanting to fall back, I rehearsed extra hard at home so as to be on an equal footing in the next class. I also learnt basic salsa and contemporary dance. During my 8 years of learning, from 55 to 62 years, I have performed several stage shows with my group and at Bhangra nights during Navratri, marriage, and other functions. I have also incorporated dance as part of my daily exercise routine. Over time, I found the movements come to me more naturally and effortlessly. The body, the limbs, the face and neck move in an easy flow in sync with the music. Today, I am a proud resident of Serene Urbana Senior Community at Bangalore. I have taught aerobics as well as folk dances to my friends here. Like me, they are also senior citizens. I have put up solo as well as group dances at various events and celebrations in Serene. Concluding, one can say, we can never dance and be unhappy. Dance lifts one's body and spirit to a new level. It helps one bond with the young and old alike and forms a social circle. It creates ripples of joy which spread far and wide. It has been rightly said, movement is life, and dance is a celebration of life. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Lovely story. We could visualize the incident which had happened long ago. Listeners, I hope you too enjoyed the program. Stay tuned to Hiraravani for more such programs. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.